As PE manufacturing companies grow, managing IT infrastructure internally can become overwhelming. The complexities of staying ahead with technology while maintaining efficiency are real challenges. Today, we're diving into how outsourcing your IT infrastructure can be a game changer for companies in this space. Let's start with cost savings. When you delegate IT infrastructure management, you're not only reducing the costs of hiring and training IT staff, but you're also cutting down on capital expenses. Now here's the crucial part. Outsourcing can actually enhance your business continuity. With access to cloud-based solutions and secure data centers, outsource providers offer disaster recovery plans that minimize downtime and safeguard your data. In a manufacturing environment where even a short disruption can be costly, this is a critical advantage. And we can't forget cybersecurity. PE manufacturing companies are prime targets for cyber attacks, which can compromise valuable intellectual property. Outsourcing gives you access to cutting-edge security solutions, keeping your operations safe from potential threats. As Lazorpoint CEO Matt Kraska puts it, as companies grow, in-house IT becomes a burden. Outsourcing offers cost savings, expertise, and efficiency, allowing businesses to focus on their strengths while scalable IT supports their growth. In short, outsourcing IT infrastructure enables you to stay competitive, reduce risks, and keep your focus on what you do best: manufacturing. Thanks for listening. For more details on the benefits of outsourcing IT infrastructure management, check out our latest blog and add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for quick access.